नमस्कार। आज हम मौजूद हैं दिल्ली के रेडिसन ब्लू प्लाजा में और यहाँ हम सम्मिलित हैं प्राइम टाइम रिसर्च मीडिया द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्लोबल बिजनेस एंड लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स 2015 में। यहाँ पूरे भारतवर्ष से आए सभी दिग्गज बिजनेस लीडर्स को सम्मानित किया जाएगा। तो चलिए आइए मिलते हैं उनसे। Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored and privileged to share with you that we have with us Mr. Maninder Singh, who is a former international cricket player and has played glorious matches for our team India. Please put your hands together and let's welcome Mr. Maninder Singh. Thank you very much for taking off time and joining us here. And also we are joined here by Mr. Basant Kumar, who is advisor to Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ministry, Government of India. Thank you very much, Mr. Kumar, for joining us. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम अभिनंदन करेंगे हमारे chief guest का. Now, before we really move ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it's important to seek the blessings of the Almighty and thank Him for making us do best in our endeavors. And to express our gratitude and light the lamp, I'd like to request and invite our chief guest to kindly join us for the lamp lighting ceremony, which is right here.
मंगल मंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी.
I would first like to welcome Mr. Maninder Singh to join us on stage and share his experiences with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for former international cricket player, Mr. Maninder Singh.
I come from cricketing fraternity. We players also play for our fans and followers. But at the same time, being a player, I have some expectations from myself. My goals and the way to reach them, which need to be respected and accepted by both sides. Similarly, in business world as well, first set the goal, choose the path, then play it utmost ethics. Ethics is as important as customer. No trade is complete without ethics. I think that's in every field. As the award titles say, Business and Leadership Awards. So coming to the next part, leadership. True leaders are praised by both subordinates and supervisors. Without taking much time, I congratulate all the winners and Prime Time for organizing an event like this. Play well with preset target and ethics and be true leaders. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Singh, for your warm words. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request and invite Mr. Basant Kumar, who is advisor to Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Ministry, Government of India, to join us on stage and share his thoughts with us this morning.
Hello. Respected Maninder Singh जी और पूरे देश से आए हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड स्पेशली प्राइम टाइम के डायरेक्टर झा साहब, आप लोगों ने जो डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में जो अचीव किया है उसका रिकॉग्निशन बहुत जरूरी है और प्राइम टाइम ने बेस्ट ये किया कि व्हाट एवर यू हैव अचीव्ड दे आर गिविंग ए रिकॉग्निशन. अभी हमारी गवर्नमेंट खास करके कल प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब भी स्टार्टअप्स के लिए कह रहे थे कि आर हैविंग सो मेनी फैसिलिटीज, वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी थिंग्स फॉर स्टार्टअप. तो स्टार्टअप ये है कि जब आप लोगों की सक्सेस स्टोरीज उनके सामने आएंगी, the government can provide financial assistance, technical assistance, everything, but जो will कहाँ से आएगी वो आप लोगों की सक्सेस स्टोरी से आएगी. और इसी के साथ मैं आप लोगों को बधाई देता हूं और प्राइम टाइम को भी धन्यवाद देता हूं, हम लोगों को बुलाया और आप लोगों के कंट्रीब्यूशन को रिकॉग्नाइज किया और ये हर तरह से होता रहेगा. थैंक यू.
Prime Time Research Media Private Limited, as you all know, is a premier insight-driven media and marketing services company that is widely recognized for pioneering and innovative work for its clients. We begin with the first category now. The first category for the day is Best Interior Designer in Ludhiana. And the award goes to Ridden Interior. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Sashi Bhushan Goel, founder and managing director of Ridden Interior. He's going to join us on stage, the first award receiver of the day. The next category is Best Bachpan Play School Franchise in Hyderabad. And the award goes to Bachpan, a play school, Nizampet. Miss Lakshmi Shavanti Kakarla from Bachpan Play School, Nizampet. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Play School in Hisar. And the award goes to Kids Care Play School, Mr. Abhishek Kaushik from Kids Care Play School. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Play School in Satara. And the award goes to none other than Bachpan Play School, Mr. Sanjay Jadhav of Bachpan Play School. The next category is Best Interior Designer in Hyderabad. And the award goes to Architect Shivani Gill from single family apartments to palatial villas, from medium-sized offices to designer boutiques. The next category is Most Emerging Play School in Bhopal. And the award goes to Kidzi Koifiza Play School. And to accept the award, joining us on stage is Mrs. Pooja Kapil Bhatia. Please join your hands together. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Surgical Oncologist in Bangalore. And the award goes to Dr. Yatish Kumar HN. The next category is Best Pathology Lab in Amritsar. And it goes to Dr. Pal's Pathology Lab. Please give it up for Dr. Rana AGK Pal joining us on stage to receive this award. The next category with us is Most Promising Play School in Bhopal. And the award goes to Shamrock Lake City, Bhopal. Please give it up for Mrs. Vandana Shukla from Shamrock Lake City to join us on stage and accept the award. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for Best Clinical Research Center in Pune. And it goes to Pentagon Research Private Limited. Please put your hands together and let's welcome on stage Dr. Sushil Chaudhary and Dr. Sunil Chaudhary. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Pharmaceutical Healthcare Service Provider Company in Chandigarh. And the award goes to Alna Biotech Private Limited. The next category for the day is Best Diagnostic Center in Nashik. And the award goes to Pratvesh Advanced Diagnostics Private Limited. Please put your hands together and Dr. Kishore Ramakrishna Kodke, Director of Pratvesh Advanced Diagnostics Private Limited, on stage. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Most Promising Interior Designer Company in Gurgaon. And the award goes to The Assigned Source, Architect Manjari Sharma from The Assigned Source. The next category is Best Diet Consultant in Mumbai. And the award goes to none other than Dietitian Thripti Gupta. Please put your hands together. The next award is for the Best Upcoming Cosmetology Center in Pune. And the award goes to Skinawait Laser and Cosmetic Surgery Center. Please put your hands together, Dr. Sushil Chaudhary and Dr. Rahul Bhadre. The next category is Best Emerging Fitness Center in Mumbai. And the award goes to Yoga Topics Health Cure Meditation Center, Mrs. Sneh Ganotra of Yoga Topics Health Cure Meditation Center. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Play School in Delhi. And the award goes to Hawaiian Toddlers, the Premium Play School. Please put your hands together. Mr. Harish Arora, Chairman, and Mrs. Sheetal Arora, Principal of Hawaiian Toddlers, the Premium Preschool. The next category is Best Real Estate Company in Dehradun. And the award goes to Agarwal Properties and Constructions. Please give it up for Architect Ashish Agarwal. The next category is Best Healthcare Center in Nagpur. And the award goes to Dreams Pathology Lab, Dr. Mahesh K. Ambade. The next award
award is for the most promising cardiovascular surgeon consultant in Jaipur. And the award goes to Dr. Rajkumar Yadav. Please put your hands together.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Diagnostics Center in Nashik. And the award goes to Trimurti Diagnostics Center. Please put your hands together. Dr. Pramod D. Ahire.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Child Development Hearing Disorder Center in Navi Mumbai. And the award goes to Akar Child Development Center.
Mrs. Chandralata Sharma. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is among Best Architects and Interior Designer Firm in Delhi. And the award goes to Studio and We Thought, Architect Ankita Sweetie and Pratush Chandan. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Private School in Delhi. And the award for the Best Private School in Delhi goes to Siddharth International Public School, Mr. Shashikant Bharti, Director. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Wedding Photography Center in Mohali. And the award goes to Nindi Studios, Mr. Navjot Singh Nindi, founder and CEO of Nindi Studios, Mohali. The next category is Best Real Estate Service Provider in Gwalior. And the award goes to Mr. Shahrat Khan. He is the Best Real Estate Service Provider in Gwalior. The next category with us today is Best Prosthodontics in Delhi NCR. And the award goes to Dr. Poonam Malik from Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences. She is the Best Prosthodontics in Delhi. The next category before us is Best Geotechnical Engineering Services Provider Company in South India. And the award goes to Sarathi Geotech and Engineering Services Private Limited, Mr. Manilal Gupta, Manager Business Development, Sarathi Geotech and Engineering Services Private Limited. The next category is Best Plastic Surgeon Consultant in Andhra Pradesh. And the award goes to Dr. DNU Annapurna, the Best Plastic Surgeon Consultant in Andhra Pradesh. Dr. DNU Annapurna. The next category is Best Architect and Interior Designer in Eastern UP. And the award goes to Kumar and Associates. Neeraj Kumar from Kumar and Associates to accept the award in the category of Best Architect and Interior Designer in Eastern UP. The next category before us is Most Innovative Young Principal Architect of Punjab. And the award goes to Architect Thakur Udayveer Singh. Please put your hands together for Architect Thakur Udayveer Singh. And in the next category, Most Promising Beauty Salon in Maharashtra. The award goes to Mrs. Neena Khandekar, founder and proprietor of Lee's Beauty Center and Spa. The next category is Best Civil Contractor for Turnkey Projects in UP. And the award goes to OP Gupta Contractors Private Limited, Mr. Deepak Gupta from OP Gupta Contractors Private Limited to join us. The next category before us is Best Pharmaceutical Company in North India. And the award goes to Forgo Pharmaceuticals Private Limited for Mr. Ashish Mittal, Managing Director of Forgo Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. The category is Best Processes and Measurement Service Consultant in North India. And the award goes to Mr. S.N. Jha of Advanced Calibrations. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Upcoming Spa Consultant in North India.
And the award goes to none other than Dr. Lipi Pathak from AXA Wellness Solutions. The next category before us is Most Emerging Neurologist in India. And the award goes to Dr. Naeem Sadiq. The next category is Best Naturopathy Center in Central India. And the award goes to Mr. Hemant Kumar from Akriti Nature Cure Center. The next category is Most Promising Cisco and Microsoft Training Company with Proven Placement Records 2015. And the award goes to Network Bull Study Private Limited. Mr. Vikas Kumar, founder and managing director of Network Bull Study Private Limited. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Most Promising Stem Cell Therapy Center in India. And the award goes to Plexus Neuro and Stem Cell Research Center. Dr. B.S. Chaube. Plexus is a premier neuro rehabilitation center. The next category is Best Vastu Consultant in India. And the award goes to Astra Vedic Vastu India Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Dr. Shyam Sundar Heranjal of Astra Vedic Vastu India. Moving on to the last award for the day. The category is Best Oral Implantologist in India. And the award goes to Dr. Manu Rathi. Please put your hands together and let's welcome Dr. Manu Rathi, Senior Professor and HOD of University of Health Science on stage as the award winner. Sir, we would love to hear from you. We'd like to hear your thoughts on today and we'd like to hear about your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Somnath Bharti.
Thank you. I'm feeling good to be here. In fact, the politics brings you diversified experiences. In the morning, I was distributing kambal. Among the poor I was, और वो कंबल बांट रहा था. तो कंबल बांटने से लेके प्राइज बांटने तक ये जो अनुभव है बहुत डाइवर्सिफाइड है ये. And I congratulate each and every awardee. It was wonderful to see people gathered here under one roof from various parts of the country. Nasik, Agra, Jaipur. So each of you, I have a lot of hope from. The nation does need such excellence. So I congratulate Prime Time for doing this excellent work.
I would like to thanks a lot to selecting us for this prestigious award. And one thing was I was very happy as well as very surprised when they announced the fact that I am the winner.
So I'm very excited. I thank Prime Time and the jury for selecting me for this prestigious award.
Yeah, thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank Prime Time for honoring me with this responsibility of being the best diet consultant in Mumbai. I'm really, really proud and it's a great moment for me and my team back in Mumbai. I picked the color of health and it gives me great honor to be here and receive this award on behalf of everyone.
I am Dr. Rajkumar Yadav. I am a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon. Means a surgery of heart and chest is being performed. I am here in Jaipur, SMS Medical College Hospital, Jaipur. And about the Prime Time, I would like to say that it is a very good promotional activity organized by this group to promote everybody's work. Everybody wants that his work should be recognized.
We started NetoBull journey 6 years back, and it has been a wonderful experience till now. It has been a roller coaster ride till now, and I would say it's all because of the student community that we have and all because of the team members we have. And I think we have many more milestones to achieve in future, and thank you very much for Prime Time to give this award to us.
I am really very happy and I would like to say
Thank you to my all family, my friends, my staff for their constant support, and without their support it is definitely not possible.
दोस्तों, ये था प्राइम टाइम रिसर्च मीडिया द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया ग्लोबल बिजनेस एंड लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स 2015। हम सभी के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।